In Yarbo settings, you can find the Reinstall data center option. Use this process when relocating your data center. Please note that reinstalling the data center will delete all your maps, so proceed with caution. Assemble the data center. Ensure the data center is assembled correctly as the instructions. After assembly, select your data center to connect it. Once connected, choose a location with a strong GPS signal. An excellent signal indicates a good GPS location. Make sure the data center is securely screwed in place, with the antenna having at least a 120 degrees view of the sky. Once installed, approach your rover to initialize the data center. The initialization takes about 1 minute. During this time, your data center will blink red. Once it turns green, the initialization is complete.